Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you another Valentine's Day look. This one is very skin focused. I'm not wearing a lot of eyeshadow. It's very neutral, and I decided only to wear one contact so you guys can see what this looks like on brown eyes, because I realize obviously not everyone's walking around with pink contacts. So I want to show you that this look looks good on brown eye color as well as a pink eye color, which I'm pretty sure doesn't exist in nature, but you know what I mean. Anyway, to do this look, I used let me find it. And again, oh, here it is. Okay, I used the Jaclyn Hill Palette, the Original with Morphe. And I used the shades, which I remembered to film the swatches, but I'm just gonna let you know. I used the shade Butter. I used the shade Central Park. Yeah, Central Park. I used Buns. And I used Pooter. And then for my shimmers, I first went in with the shade Sissy, which is kind of like a rose gold, but it was looking really antique gold. Like it was like the shift was like pink and like antique gold. It was a little more brown than I wanted it to be, so I actually put on top of it Obsessed. And then my eyelids were looking flaky AF, so I went in with Stila Kitten Karma Liquid Glow, you know, those little thingies. And then that turned out to be, you know, dried out because I've had that for like a year and a half. So I finally threw that out. And then on top of all of that, I went in with the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlight. And now I love how it looks. So yeah, if you are trying to recreate this look, obviously you don't have to do all those steps with the shimmers. Just find a shimmer that's not going to fail you, because I just wasn't getting the look I wanted with all the eyeshadows I was choosing. And then so I just went in with this and it was everything. I'm actually going to put this on my cheeks because I'm wearing the Glam and Glow or the Glam Glow highlighting palette right now, but I think I want to put this on my cheeks too because I'm not quite beaming like I want to be. Not quite beaming like I want to be. Not quite. It's a little bit better. Anyway, guys, this is an eye look, and I filmed the complexion. And if you're curious what is on my lips, I'm wearing Tiramisu lip liner from Rimmel, and then the lipstick, I do believe, is Maybelline Beige Babe. And I just decided to leave it matte today because my lips are not quite as crusty. So, and I also thought it looked better with a matte lip than it would with a glossy lip. Alright, so that's enough for this intro. Let's get into the look. So this was supposed to be an eye and complexion video, but when I was looking back on the complexion footage, I was once again like, I can't even edit this to make it look good. So I decided to just scratch that and make this just an eye tutorial. And I guess I really shouldn't say tutorial anymore because I am not a professional makeup artist. I just love doing my makeup, and sometimes it turns out bomb, sometimes it turns out like crap. So I'm gonna stop using the word tutorial because I ain't trying to teach nobody. I'm just trying to show you guys what I do, and maybe you can incorporate it into what you like to do for your eyeshadow, so and your complexion. So I'm gonna stop using the word tutorial because it just doesn't apply to what I do. Anyway, you guys saw I am using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So far I have applied, I don't even have the palette in front of me. I probably should have that out before I even start talking. Alright, so first I applied the shade Butter, and then I went in with Buns, and those were my, Butter was my transition color, and Buns was my crease color. And then on the outer corner, I do believe I used the shade, what shade is this? I used the shade Chip, maybe? I don't even remember. I think I said it in the first part of the video what shades I used, but I'm showing you guys the swatches so you can get a feel for the color story that I'm using to create this look. And if you want to, like I said, incorporate it in how you do your eyeshadows, you are more than welcome. And I didn't do my bottom lash line for this look. I just decided to put a little bit of bronzer underneath my bottom lash line when I did my complexion. This is a very simple look, great for people that don't exactly like to pile on lots of eyeshadow, that don't like to wear a lot of makeup in general. Just very pretty, very fresh face, and super easy to do. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking. Video's almost over. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, share, like, all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, by the way, I hate this liner. This is from NYX. This is their Epic Ink Liner in brown. Terrible. Do not buy it. Biggest regret of this video. Okay, bye! Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. I think I'm going to do one more Valentine's Day look, maybe two. I don't know. I've been really inspired to do my makeup lately, so I mean, I'm like filming a crap ton of videos. Anyway, before you leave, hit one of those, hit one of those, hit one of those. Support your girl. Share this video because sharing is caring, and I hope to see you in the next one.